Hello, so my name is Toby Bailey and I'm part of the School of Mathematics at the University of Edinburgh. My main interests are in mathematical education. How do people learn mathematics? And therefore, how should we teach mathematics? And I'm also very interested in lots of different bits of mathematics, particularly things connected with geometry. So next year, for example, I'm going to be teaching some calculus. I'm part of a Year 1 calculus course involving infinite sequences and infinite sums. And I'm going to be teaching a probability course in Year 2. And I'm teaching my absolute favourite course, Symmetry and Geometry, for Year 4 students. In that course, we study repeating patterns. For example, we study repeating patterns in the plane, like you would get on wallpaper. And if you classify those patterns by their symmetries, what sort of symmetries do they have and how are they arranged, then it's an amazing fact that there are exactly 17 different possibilities. Anyway, I won't go on about that, otherwise I shall never stop. The time, autumn is coming and it's time to be flexing our mathematical muscles again. And so I have a problem to show you. It involves those two blue semicircles inside an orange circle on the screen. And I think of those two semicircles as looking a little bit like one of those huge cups, chalices, that you see on the middle of tables or on altars or somewhere. So those two half circles are touching at the centre of their circular sides. And I have just a simple question about that picture, which is, what proportion of the circle is coloured blue? Or to put it another way, how does the area of the orange circle relate to the area of the two blue semicircles? And I chose that problem particularly because if you're anything like me, the first time you see that problem, it's very unclear how you should begin and what you should do. And there's a trick in that kind of situation, and the trick is just to start and do something. Don't worry too much about the area of the semicircles. Start by seeing what you can work out about the picture. So I'll leave you to try and think about that and solve it perhaps, and I'll show you my solution in a few days' time. And if you've got any questions about it, or particularly if you've got a really good solution to it, then do get in touch with me. My email and Twitter addresses are on the screen. So otherwise then, thank you very much for watching, and I hope to talk to you again with my solution in a few days' time.